Hey, what's up guys? This is Robert coming at you with another video. And today's video we are going to talk about when you should keep your job or get a job if you don't have one when you are trying to work on an online business. Now, that may sound like it's counterproductive because for a lot of folks, the point of having an online business is that you don't want a job. So why would you keep your job or why would you get a job if you are trying to start an online business? Well, I'm going to talk about that in today's video. So we're going to go through a few slides here and give you some good advice as to why you should keep your job. So if you are like me and you are in an internet business, or you were trying to start one, here's what you would probably have heard. So we are normally told from all of the gurus and everybody like that that jobs suck, right? We are told that jobs are terrible. Why would anybody want a job? They're a nightmare, right? We are told that jobs stands for just over broke. Have you ever heard that one before? So that's probably one you've heard before, that, it's an acronym for just over broke. We also hear that, you don't want a job because you want to stop working for the man, or you want to stop making somebody else rich and build your own empire, right? So that's what we always hear when it comes to jobs. And to some extent, some of that stuff is true, but there is a time and a place for everything. So I'm going to go over why you might want to keep your job, and how that can be advantageous for you. Okay, so here is why jobs are awesome. Okay, so this is especially true when you're new in the industry and you're not making any money, or you're making very little money and you are working to get your business off the ground. Okay, so jobs can be used as a tool. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are, let's say, a home business owner and you have a family, you have expenses month to month, etc., right? Having a job allows you to meet your base needs while you are building a business, okay? So that basically means that, if you have rent you got to pay, you have groceries you need, all this stuff needs to be done month to month. So if you don't have a job at all while you're trying to build a business, it's going to be very hard to take care of those base needs while you are trying to build a separate business on the side. Okay? Building a business requires money, straight up. So anybody who tells you it does require money. It requires an investment in yourself, investment in your business. And having a job allows you to use extra money that you may have left over at the end of the month to accelerate the building of your business. Now that means things like you might be able to buy mentoring, you might be able to buy coaching, you might be able to buy courses, things like that will help you learn different skills online. Maybe in an area that you're interested in, you want to learn specific skills. There is probably something out there that could help you, but there may be a cost to that. So this is all costs that are good costs because they get you closer to your goal, but you need to have money in order to be able to do that. So having a job allows you to use extra money, that you have at the end of the month to accelerate this process, because you're going to get through and learn a skill in your business and build your business a lot faster if you have somebody who knows what they're doing already, mentoring you, coaching you, and helping you along the way. Okay? So that's basically why, if you have a job and you're not making enough money to, quit, you would want to keep that job basically until you are making enough to actually leave your job on a permanent basis, or possibly scale back your hours. Now, when would you quit? Okay, so generally speaking, when your online business, I guess I should say actually, is making more than your current job for at least 3 months, in a row. Okay, 3 consecutive months. Now, some people like as much as up to 6 months in a row straight. Okay, so what you don't want to do is have one great month and then say, all right, I'm good to go, I'm quitting my job, I'm done. Because what can happen is that month can be a one-off. It can be an exception to the rule. Okay, so you want to have at least 3 months in a row straight where you're making more in a month than you are at your current job. And like I said, some folks like to wait it out until they hit 6 months straight, that way they really know what they're doing and they really know that they're, making consistent money in their online business. Okay, so that just gives you a little tip as to, or a little advice as far as keeping your job and, using it as a tool to accelerate the building of your business. Okay, so just want to let you guys know, if you guys want more information like this, go ahead and subscribe below for more videos like this one. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button right below this video if you're watching this on YouTube, which you probably are. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then also you can hit the notifications bell, and that'll let you know when I upload a new video as well, so you can watch the great content that I'm putting out on this channel. Other than that, I want you guys to have a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.